Connect2, a revolution in shower tray design, developed and manufactured in the UK by Kudos Shower Products. This stunning-looking low-profile tray has an amazing hidden feature that makes joist obstruction a problem of the past. Thanks to the unique offset dual waist outlet, the Connect2 tray will always allow you to connect the waist without the need to reposition the joists or raise the tray onto a plinth, irrespective of the shape and size of the tray or the direction and position of the joists. With joists running parallel to the width of the tray, at least one of the waist holes will always be clear. Once you have established which waist hole to use, simply blank off the other with the plugs supplied, using standard solvent weld pipe cement. With joists running parallel to the length of the tray, potentially blocking both holes, simply turn the tray around and both will be clear. The magnetic and reinforced linear cover is stylish, stable and comfortable underfoot and easily removed for cleaning. Not only is the Connect2 tray a stunning looking design with amazing connectivity, it is a high-gloss acrylic capped ABS skin for durability and structural resin-bonded stone filler for stability, and is covered by the Kudos guarantee. The Connect2 tray is also available with camber anti-slip coating, providing additional safety and confidence. Connect2, more refreshing innovation from Kudos Shower Products.